Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try this mini little Juvia's Place palette. This is the Rebels Mint and this is what it looks like. Well, first of all, look at the packaging. The packaging is beautiful. All of their packaging is just absolutely stunning. So this is what it looks like. These palettes are, I believe, $10 and you get 4 shadows. So with this you get the two on the top are the shimmer shades and then the two on the bottom are matte shades. I was gonna try to just stay with the palette and I was thinking about just using 2 of the colors to see how well they went on. And I'm debating between if I want to do the one more on the blue side or more on the minty green, but I think I should try doing the minty green. So, okay, let's just jump straight in. I did prime my eyes a little bit with my Max Lang Low Paint Pot. And I just added a very small amount, so just making sure there's no creasing. And I'm just really, I am just really debating. Okay, so let's just do the green or the mint side and see how well this goes on. I should have pulled the brush I wanted out, but I forgot. Okay, so let's just take a nice little pecker brush. I'm gonna go in with the mint and we're just gonna go straight in onto the lids. There's not too much kickback, there's just a little bit. I don't even think you can see it on camera, but it's just a little bit. So let me just work this onto my lid. This is so pretty. This is just really nice. I have no idea what I'm doing with this look. I just wanted to play. So I'm just gonna pack this in. Oh my god, this color is so pretty. So it's not patchy and it's not chalky. It's just a very vibrant pastel mint. Oh my gosh. You know, I was thinking I was gonna need to lay down my Milk NYX Jumbo stick just for more of a, you know, base. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, actually let's go in with a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in back in with the same color and I'm going to add this right in the inner tear duct. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring just a little bit down here. Okay, so let me go in with a little fluffy brush, take just a little to diffuse this. Blending really nice. Okay, I'm going to take a small little detailing brush and let's just run this down here also. We're just going to keep this very simple. I want to go in with this little shimmer shade right here. Let's see how well this goes on with a brush. And I'm just going to add this on the center. And this is beautiful. It's so pretty. Wow, I didn't. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this really low and on the center, and I'm gonna add a very small amount in the inner tear duct. And so there's just a little bit of fallout with this shade, but that's fine. I'm just going to dust it off. So I would recommend putting some loose powder underneath because that shimmer is all over my face and it's a little hard to get off, but I'll worry about that afterwards. But this is really nice. So let me just add, actually let me just finish the eye really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner and this one is an electric. I was debating between this shade, which is fresh, but I don't want it to, I want a little bit of dimension, so we're gonna go in with this color. And I'm just gonna work this into my waterline. So it gave it a little extra. So I'm going to go back in with this mint, and I'm just going to blend a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara. I'm going to go in with my Salon Perfects in 614s. I'm also going to add a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Iconic London Warm Bronze. This is the Ultimate Bronzing Powder. And I'm just going to add a little more warmth to my face. And for my blush, I'm going to go in with this Blank Glow Getter Face Palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Accomplished. And I'm going to add this right here. And I'm going to go in with my Revlon Skin Lights in 201 Day Break Glimmer. This is a dupe for the Amrezy and Anastasia highlight. It's just very, very pigmented. I'll take a very small amount and add this to my nose. I'm just gonna blend a little bit because I got a little carried away with the highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Morphe's Sweet Tea, and I'm going to try out this Essence number 12 Loyal Lipstick. I just picked this up. I don't know how this looks on, so we're going to see how it goes. Okay, so this is the completed look. I also added a little bit of lip gloss. It's the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. I just felt like the pink was a little too out there, so I needed to tone it down, and the gloss did a perfect job. But this palette was so pretty. I loved the way it performed. I love the colors in here. Guys saw I only used 2 shadows, which were these 2 right here. So definitely want to play around with this some other time. But I just really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this review, this look, all of this. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.